Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today we will be revisiting the Love Yourself era in this BTS mic drop nail art tutorial. Start by applying a layer of base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Unto Peel Off base coat, which I always link in the description box. Paint your index fingernail black, your middle and thumbnails navy blue, your ring fingernail yellow, and your pinky fingernail white. Then take a thin brush with white polish to draw thin rectangles and little specks here and there all across the index fingernail for the specks of paper that fly up during Suga's wrap. Next, top coat this nail with red polish. And for the middle fingernail, I'm going to be drawing a golden trophy, and this is a trophy from the Golden Disc Music Awards, and obviously this is related to the song because one of the most well-known lines is, "Did you see my bag? Did you see my bag? The bag is full of trophies." So the shape of the trophy starts with a U, so I started with that, and then I went up into the legs, or the foot, and then obviously I have to fill in the chest, and now I'm going to be drawing the arms and the head. I also drew in the base of this trophy. The top portion of the base is more of like a hollow stand, but the bottom portion is completely filled in. It is a wider trapezoid. Next, I mixed brown and gold to create a darker coppery shade to add the shading on the side of the leg and also the bottom at the base, according to the photo that we have on the bottom left corner here. And I will also be adding highlights by mixing a bit of white and the gold together to create a lighter shade. For the ring fingernail, start by applying liquid latex on the skin around your nail, and then I'm going to be recreating the fiery explosion in the scene depicted on the bottom left corner, and I used cling wrap to apply brown, white, and different shades of yellow and orange, and I also went in with a thinner brush to just add more of the same colors on in select areas. And for the pinky fingernail, I'm going to be using a small piece of sponge to apply various shades of gray to replicate smoke. And for the thumbnail, I'm going to be recreating Suga's iconic mic drop pose, so I started with a flesh tone to just lay down where his hand will go. I just roughly filled in the hand as I went. Then I started adding the shadows between the fingers with a dark brown. I also added shadows towards the top of the fingers for the knuckles. And then I also added highlights with a lighter beige. Next, I went in with a dark brown once again for the knuckles, and I went over top with a light beige to blend it in. Next, we'll be drawing the mic using chrome polish, so I started with the portion that you speak into. And from the other side of the hand, I drew the handle of the mic. And underneath the part that you speak into, I drew his thumb. Next, I mixed black with the chrome to create a darker shade of chrome to add shading on the side of the handle. And then I added black polish onto the portion that you speak into and just kind of blended that in. Then I just added a few highlights onto the handle with white. Next, I repeated what I did for the rest of the hand for the thumb. Finally, I just drew in the end of the handle. Apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done! So that is it for my BTS mic drop nail art tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this revisit to the Love Yourself era, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!